Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're going to show you a quick and easy way to turn on your Samsung TV even if you can't find your remote. So let's dive right into it. First off, there are a few methods you can use depending on your Samsung TV model. If your TV has physical buttons, you're in luck. Most Samsung TVs have a set of buttons on the side or bottom of the TV. Look for the power button among them. It's usually labeled with a circle icon, sometimes with a line through it. Press this button to turn on your TV. If your TV doesn't respond to the first press, try holding down the power button for a few seconds. This action should boot up your TV. Now, what if your Samsung TV doesn't have physical buttons or you can't locate them? No worries. You can also use the Samsung SmartThings app if your TV is connected to Wi-Fi. Grab your smartphone and open the Samsung SmartThings app. If your TV is registered and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone, you should see it listed in the app. Tap on your TV's name in the app and you'll find a virtual remote control. Look for the power button icon on the screen, usually at the bottom or top corners. Press the power button icon and voila, your Samsung TV should turn on. Make sure your phone and TV are connected to the internet for this to work. Conclusion. And there you have it. Those are a couple of easy ways to turn on your Samsung TV without a remote. Whether you prefer using the physical buttons or the SmartThings app, you'll never have to worry about misplacing your remote again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.